In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Todoist. Integrating these two platforms can greatly enhance your productivity by automating many repetitive tasks. So let's dive in and learn how to set up this powerful integration step by step. The first thing you want to do is make your way over to the Zapier homepage. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a tool that connects different apps together, allowing for the automation of workflows. Once you've successfully landed on the homepage, you'll see an option to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially a workflow that connects two or more apps to automate repetitive tasks. Click on Zap. By clicking anywhere on Zap, you're initiating the process to create an automation. It's a similar experience to flipping an old-fashioned switch, only now it works with apps digitally. When you click it, you'll see a prompt to set a trigger for your Zap. Now it's time to click on Trigger. Triggers are events that start your automation. In this setup, we're working with Todoist, so we'll want to find a trigger related to that platform. You'll need to search for Todoist in the trigger search bar. As you begin typing, the intuitive search feature in Zapier will help you by suggesting potential matches. Once Todoist appears, select it from the drop-down list. Choosing Todoist sets the stage for the next steps because it's telling Zapier that the action you want to automate revolves around this particular app. Following this, you will need to select Choose an Event. This event is what will initiate your Zap. Here, we are setting the trigger as New Completed Task. What this means is every time you complete a task in Todoist, the automation process begins. Now, to make your automation functional, we need to connect your Todoist account to Zapier, so go ahead and click Connect Todoist. After this, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection. Simply click on Allow Access. This action ensures that Zapier has the required permissions to communicate with your Todoist account. Your data is safe thanks to the robust security measures in place. With access confirmed, click on Configure. This is where you'll set specifics, determining how actions will be handled within Todoist. Now click Choose Value, and from the options that appear, select Inbox. This specifies where tasks are going to be added or modified, which in our case is the inbox. Before we finish, it's crucial to test the setup. Click on Test. Running a test ensures that your Zap works as intended. If everything looks good, click Test Trigger. You should see a success message which confirms that the Zap has been set up correctly. And that's it. Now you've successfully set up Zapier with Todoist, streamlining your task management and boosting your productivity. Keep experimenting with different triggers and actions to maximize what these tools can do for you. Thanks for watching and happy automating.